More than 80% of baking soda users don't know its strongest secrets. Yes, millions of homes are discreetly rejecting this pennies per dose kitchen ingredients promise. Many experts consider baking soda the most undervalued medicine. Think about it. How often have you used baking soda alone to bake or clean your fridge? What if I told you that this simple white powder has a long history of surprising uses, some of which could change your health perspective? What are we missing, and why don't people talk about baking soda's power? This video discusses baking soda's wonderful health advantages, which few know about. I'll also explain baking soda safety and indicate who should avoid it. If you care about your health and want to make smart choices, don't miss this. Welcome to our channel. Before we discuss baking soda's health benefits developed together, please subscribe and like this video to avoid missing future posts. We are excited to help you improve your health, which starts here. Tell us where you're watching by mentioning your country in the comments. Would love to hear from you. Let's go. The amazing health benefits of baking soda. Encourages a cleanse first. Beyond baking and cleaning, baking soda has other uses. It is often praised for aiding the body's detoxification. Since baking soda becomes alkaline in water, it neutralizes acids inside and outside the body. To relieve mild rashes, itching, and inflammation, baking soda baths are often utilized. Baking soda soaks are claimed to remove pollutants, balancing your body and renewing your skin. This popular home remedy claims to detoxify the skin, but few studies have shown it. Users report feeling healthier and more relaxed. The inside narrative is more intriguing. Some health enthusiasts say alkalizing blood and urine with a little baking soda and water helps the body expel toxins. This is supported by science, especially for certain medical conditions. According to a Journal of the American Society of Nephrology study, sodium bicarbonate pills slow chronic renal disease by reducing blood acid. This suggests that baking soda under medical supervision may aid the body's detoxification process, especially for acidity sufferers. Remember that your body is already good at pH homeostasis and that major dietary changes are difficult. Baking soda can be harmful, so use it moderately. Baking soda can help your body detoxify and rejuvenate with a mild, affordable technique. Next, it whitens teeth and improves dental health. Baking soda is in many toothpastes and home remedies for a reason. It's effective for tooth whitening and dental health. You surely noticed how clean and smooth your teeth feel after brushing with baking soda. Baking soda removes surface stains from tea, coffee, and other foods that dull your smile as a mild abrasive. Baking soda's delicate texture polishes teeth without damaging them, unlike aggressive whitening methods. The benefits go beyond a brighter smile. Alkaline baking soda balances tongue acids. This is vital because acidic environments promote gum disease, cavities, and bad breath-causing bacteria. Baking soda balances your mouth's pH, reducing bacteria and improving gums and breath. Scientific evidence supports these claims. According to Journal of Clinical Dentistry studies, toothpaste with baking soda whitens teeth and removes plaque better than toothpaste without it. Baking soda reduces harmful oral bacteria, according to another study. Moderation is key. Too much baking soda or thorough brushing might damage tooth enamel due to its abrasive qualities. It should be used a few times a week with a gentle brush, according to dentists. When used appropriately, baking soda may give you a healthier, whiter, and cleaner smile at home, quickly and cheaply. It then soothes heartburn. Heartburn is a common and annoying condition, especially after a rich or spicy meal. Acid reflux, which is created by stomach acid returning to the esophagus, usually starts as a burning feeling in the upper stomach and can move up into the throat. Pregnancy, weight gain, and eosinophilic esophagitis or achalasia can increase heartburn risk. Your kitchen can provide a quick and easy alternative to commercial antacids. Mixing a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and sipping it gradually relieves heartburn quickly. Simple science underpins this. Alkaline baking soda balances stomach acid, which burns. For years, this reaction has been a common home treatment since it delivers practically instant comfort. Medical professionals recognize sodium bicarbonate as a fast-acting antacid. It relieves occasional heartburn promptly, according to a gastroenterology and hepatology review. Simple to follow and comprehend technique. No expensive treatments or drugstore visits. Just a glass of water, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a few minutes will help. Due to this simple cure, baking soda remains a household staple. If you need fast, reliable heartburn relief, this kitchen staple can help you get through the day. Antifungal properties follow. Itchy, red, or flaking skin is a frequent symptom of fungal infections. Ringworm, athlete's foot, and other associated illnesses are caused by moist-loving fungi in warm, humid locations like the feet. There are several over-the-counter creams and sprays, but baking soda is a simple natural treatment you can find in your kitchen. This common household item is potently antifungal because it changes the fungi's growth environment. Alkalizing the skin with baking soda weakens fungal cell membranes, making it harder for them to survive. Scientific evidence proves this is more than a decades-old folk remedy. A 10 grams per liter baking soda solution inhibited 80% of fungal strains in a mycopathologia research. This surprising result proves baking soda's natural antifungal capability. To treat athlete's foot, mix baking soda and water into a paste and apply it directly to the affected regions or into a foot bath. After a few treatments, many patients feel less itching and discomfort. Non-toxic and calming, it's great for folks who want to avoid harsh chemicals. This affordable and effective medication can help people with stubborn fungal infections regain daily confidence. Next, it may relieve UTIs. Urinary tract infections, UTIs, are common and painful for women. Daily living may be challenging owing to burning urination, frequent urination, and general discomfort. Some people choose natural therapies to relieve symptoms and heal, even if antibiotics are the standard treatment. Baking soda is a popular therapy. The reasoning behind treating UTIs with baking soda is that it neutralizes acids. Small amounts of baking soda in water can lower urine acidity. This pH change may prevent UTI bacteria from growing, helping the body battle the illness. Less acidic urine may reduce UTI burning. Some science supports this method. The Japanese Journal of Urology reported sodium bicarbonate treatment for 33 women with recurrent UTIs. After 4 weeks, many individuals reported reduced urination pain and discomfort. These findings are promising, but baking soda shouldn't replace medical treatment for UTIs, especially severe ones. For those seeking relief beyond medical treatment, baking soda may be a gentle, cost-effective option. Severe or chronic UTI symptoms require rapid medical attention. Baking soda can help you manage urinary comfort and health if used properly. You can treat canker sores. Those who have experienced canker sore discomfort know how irritating these small mouth ulcers can be. The good news? Baking soda may be the simple, inexpensive remedy you need. Aphthous ulcers, also called canker sores, are often caused by stress, minor oral traumas, or particular foods. They may make eating, drinking, and talking uncomfortable. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate works well in this case because it neutralizes oral acids and balances pH. This is crucial since acidity can worsen pain and slow recovery. Rinsing your mouth with half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water reduces inflammation, pain, and healing time. However, research confirms this, so don't believe me. The Journal of the American Dental Association found that sodium bicarbonate mouthwashes significantly reduced pain and expedited healing in recurrent aphthous stomatitis patients. researchers observed that baking soda's moderate antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties keep sores clean and limit bacterial growth, which aids healing. Baking soda is modest and unlikely to worsen the problem more than over-the-counter medicines. If a canker sore appears, rinse with baking soda. It's a natural, clinically proven culinary remedy for tooth health and pain relief. Improves exercise performance thereafter. Did you know a simple kitchen item can boost your fitness? Baking soda may be used for more than just baking and sink cleaning. It's a secret tool for athletes to fight muscle fatigue and boost performance. It works like this. Lactic acid from high-intensity exercise decreases pH and causes burning. Acidity causes muscle fatigue and forces you to stop before you're ready. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, buffers naturally. When taken before exercise, it balances muscle acid, allowing you to work out harder and longer. However, this is scientific, not a fitness myth. A meta-analysis of numerous trials in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation improved performance in short-duration, high-intensity sports like cycling, swimming, and sprinting. Baking soda helped athletes perform better for longer and prevent fatigue, according to the researchers. Athletes drink a teaspoon of baking soda with water 60 to 90 minutes before training. Starting with little doses is important because too much can cause nausea or bloating. If you want a natural, scientifically proven way to boost endurance in training, try baking soda. Consult a doctor before starting it, especially if you have medical issues. Try it and see if your next workout changes. May improve kidney function. Imagine if baking soda could nourish and protect your kidneys, especially if you had CKD. Many chronic renal disease patients develop metabolic acidosis because their kidneys cannot remove enough acid from the blood. Acid overload can harm health and accelerate renal damage. Sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, helps here. As a natural antacid, it balances blood acid. Baking soda lowers blood acidity, which can help kidneys and prevent kidney disease. Not simply a home remedy, this is scientific. The Journal of the American Society of Nephrology released a seminal study on severe chronic kidney disease and metabolic acidosis. The researchers found that daily sodium bicarbonate pill users had slower renal function decline. In fact, baking soda reduced the risk of end-stage renal disease and dialysis. The study also showed improvements in blood bicarbonate levels, a key sign of acid-base balance. Remember that baking soda isn't a cure-all and should only be taken with medical advice. High blood pressure and fluid retention can develop from excessive intake, especially in heart or kidney patients. If you or someone you know has chronic renal illness, consult a doctor before using baking soda. Given correct use and supervision, this household staple may improve kidney health and quality of life. After then, arthritis pain can subside. Imagine utilizing baking soda, a basic kitchen staple to ease arthritis pain. Rheumatoid arthritis, which causes joint pain, swelling, and stiffness, is characterized by chronic inflammation. Most individuals treat these symptoms with medicine and physical therapy, but recent research suggests baking soda may be a safe and practical alternative. This science is intriguing and optimistic. According to a 2018 Journal of Immunology study, drinking baking soda with water day may affect the immune system. According to the study, sodium bicarbonate reduces autoimmune activity that causes rheumatoid arthritis and boosts the body's anti-inflammatory response. Inflammatory indicators decreased in both humans and animals as immune cells migrated towards a less inflammatory state. Baking soda may help arthritis sufferers calm their immune systems and reduce joint pain and swelling. This research gives arthritis sufferers significant chances. A daily baking soda drink or rinse may reduce inflammation and improve joint comfort. Though more research is needed to determine the long-term benefits, the idea that a common household item could alleviate arthritic pain is exciting and inspiring. It reminds us that sometimes the easiest options are the best. Gout is a painful disease that often affects the big toe and other joints. It can produce significant discomfort, redness, and swelling fast. The root cause? An increase in blood uric acid, which causes joint inflammation and sharp crystals. Gout management often requires lowering uric acid and relieving pain. Sodium bicarbonate or baking soda is an effective home remedy. Baking soda's alkalinity reduces blood uric acid, preventing crystals. Baking soda helps adjust pH, reducing gout attacks. A study in arthritis and rheumatism found that alkalinizing chemicals such as sodium bicarbonate can dissolve uric acid crystals and stimulate urine evacuation, relieving acute gout symptoms. To relieve pain during a flare-up, many patients drink water with half a teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda may reduce joint inflammation and pain, making mobility simpler. Baking soda can help control gout, but only under medical supervision. This ensures you benefit without risk. Thus, if you want a natural, scientifically proven way to treat gout, baking soda may be the solution. It lowers flu and cold symptoms afterwards. Cold and flu season can overwhelm you with symptoms including a scratchy throat, stuffy nose, and persistent congestion. Did you know that baking soda, a simple and inexpensive essential, can help you fight these common diseases? Baking soda's alkalinity breaks down thick mucus, improving nasal channel clearance and breathing. This is good for consistently runny or blocked noses. Baking soda gargles are one of the greatest cold and flu treatments. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of warm water to soothe a sore throat. Gargling with this mixture relieves discomfort and reduces throat and mouth bacteria and germs, making it harder for viruses to thrive. According to a Journal of the American Dental Association study, frequent gargling with baking soda reduces throat irritation and microbial burden, speeding upper respiratory infection recovery. Baking soda can be added to nasal rinses to reduce congestion. It neutralizes acids and breaks down mucus to boost your immune system and hasten healing. Next time you're sick, grab some baking soda. It's a moderate, scientifically backed remedy that can speed up cold and flu recovery, showing that sometimes the best cures are in your kitchen. It could improve cancer treatments. Though doubtful, scientists are increasingly interested in baking soda's cancer-fighting potential. Acidic conditions can enhance cancer cell proliferation and treatment resistance. Because of its alkalizing properties, baking soda has been studied for its capacity to modify the pH around tumor cells, reducing cancer spread. Cancer Research published one of the most intriguing studies on this topic in 2009. Researchers found that infusing sodium bicarbonate into metastatic breast cancer mice significantly reduced tumor acidity. This pH adjustment slowed cancer growth and made tumor cells more chemotherapy sensitive. Baking soda may benefit cancer therapy by counteracting the acidic microenvironment. Research is studying whether antacids like baking soda can be safely used with chemotherapy or other therapies to improve patient outcomes. Keep in mind that this research is quite early. Although animal models show promising results, further human clinical trials are needed before baking soda may be recommended for cancer treatment. Baking soda is a tool that may augment present treatments, not a cure-all. If you or a loved one is getting cancer treatment, consult your medical team before considering new supplements or treatments. Finally, natural deodorant. If you want an easy, natural way to stay fresh all day, baking soda may be the answer. Alternatives to commercial deodorants with chemicals and false scents include baking soda, a cheap, effective kitchen ingredient. Its secret is its ability to absorb excess moisture and neutralize perspiration's acidic chemicals that cause body smell. Creating an environment that discourages odor-causing microbes keeps you odor-free even on your busiest days. Anecdotes support baking soda's natural deodorant effectiveness. The research supports it. According to a Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology study, sodium bicarbonate significantly reduced underarm smell when administered topically. The researchers found that baking soda's alkaline qualities neutralize bacteria and sweat acids, reducing disagreeable smells. Because it is paraben, aluminum, and perfume-free, baking soda is ideal for delicate skin and those who want to avoid harsh chemicals. Easy deodorant. Baking soda. Sprinkle a little under your arms with coconut oil, or alone for additional hydration. It keeps you cool and dry in hot weather, especially when exercising. Baking soda is still a popular, natural, environmentally friendly personal care solution, even though everyone's skin is different, and some may need to test for sensitivity. If you can give up chemicals, try baking soda. It's a simple, scientifically proven way to stay fresh all day. Who should be cautious? Baking soda has several health benefits, but not everyone can use it. Some groups should be cautious when considering greater doses or frequent use for internal or external applications. For instance, kidney patients must be cautious. Since baking soda contains sodium, those with weak renal function may have trouble flushing it out, causing fluid retention and other complications. High blood pressure patients should also be careful. Hypertensives should avoid baking soda since its salt content raises blood pressure. Anyone with gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux should consult a doctor before using baking soda because it might modify stomach pH and worsen these disorders. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should use baking soda with caution. Excessive consumption can disturb the body's electrolyte balance, affecting the mother and unborn child. Because people with allergies or sensitivities may develop skin irritation or stomach issues, start with a little quantity of baking soda. Lastly, baking soda powder can irritate airways. Therefore, persons with respiratory diseases should avoid breathing it. In any scenario, moderation and direction are essential. If you fall into any of these groups or have medical difficulties, see a doctor before adding baking soda to your diet. As shown, baking soda is more than a household ingredient. A powerful and versatile tool, it can improve your health in unexpected ways. Science and tradition support its benefits for gout, sore throats, and sports performance. Use baking soda gently and consult a doctor if you have any issues. Have you used baking soda for any of these cures or have any personal advice? Post your questions and experiences below. We appreciate your correspondence. If this video was helpful, like, subscribe, and share it. We appreciate your channel support and interest. We chose 2 videos to help you learn. We'll see you when you click one.